Hey y'all. Woo! Today I am having something that I have been craving for a very long time. I don't believe I've had it for actually a couple of years. Oh, I got tape on me. But yeah, you know the Thai barbecue place I used to get a long time ago? Yeah, I haven't had that in a while because I moved. But here I have the Thai beef jerky. I have the penang curry with beef in it. I have beef satay, and this is an appetizer, and there's like 6 skewers here. And I also got the chicken satay appetizer, another 6 skewers. The Thai barbecue ribs, Thai barbecue chicken, and this is a shrimp fried rice. Woo, so excited. And I got the peanut sauce over here, and the little the little cucumber salad over there too. Ooh, don't drag. Let's see. Yeah, let's see. This is here. That's the chicken. That's the beef. The chicken. More. The Thai barbecue chicken. Oh yeah, I'm excited. I'm very excited about this meal, you guys. Oh, this is one of those things that you taste it once and you want it over and over and over again. And that was one of those things we used to live like right by it. So I just send someone over to grab me some plates of food. And this is a Thai tea. No boba though. Just the tea. It's creamy, sweet. It's tea. Oh, delicious. Very strong tea too. Very strong. Okay. Let's see what I was going to do. I've got a fork here. But I'm going to put my... Actually, I can just eat out of this. I don't have to like serve this up. Let me put that to the side. But I want a taste of the penang curry first. And I got it with beef. And it looks like beef in there. That's a fatty piece of beef right there. Have that with some rice. Oh, it's so creamy. It's like a coconut. It's a peanutty coconut sauce. Oh, that's like one of my favorite things. That is so good. Oh yeah. The packaging was slightly different, so I was like worried. Is this going to taste the same? Is this going to be the same food I'm used to? Oh man. That hits the craving nail on the head right there. Oh my gosh. Penang curry, that's like my favorite. Alright. Now, I'm gonna get into this Thai barbecue chicken. And it came with a whole lot of little sauces like this. Oh, they're a little sticky. Open up, open up. Let me see. That's very sweet. Not too thick. Oh, I want to drink it. I want to drink it, but I'm not. Okay. Oh, I got a ponytail holder in case I need it. It could happen. Ooh, it's dripping. Okay, don't spill it all over yourself, Candy. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. Oh, that is so good. Mmm. That's a good barbecue. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. 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 OMG, that's good. I'm gonna use that bowl to deposit my bones. That's an idea. Whew. That is good. That is just what I wanted. Which that's not 100% true because I was trying all day to order Filipino food, which is what I was gonna eat, what I wanted to eat, but this isn't my first choice. But thank you, Uber Eats, for opening the doors to many more restaurants for me. Mm. Oh, that thick peanut sauce. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Grilled meat is so good. Mm. 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 Not much to say. Just really good. It was marinated. Not sure in what, but it's delicious. Mm. 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 Wow. Mm. 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 I love those. I just love them. Mm. I haven't had any Thai barbecue in a long time. Mm. And this is hitting the spot really, really well. Don't really know what kind of sauce this is. Ooh, it smells tangy. Ooh. And this is Thai beef jerky. Ooh, don't spill the sauce. Get the stuff off of you. Mmm, this is much more tender looking than the stuff I remembered. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. It's really tangy. Mm. 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 Kind of reminds me a little bit of hoisin sauce. Mm. Alrighty then. Those are good too. Not as good as the satay, but good. Alrighty. Get this little piece of barbecue. It's got some of the rice in it. The rice came with a barbecue rib dinner, so it's got little bits of rice on it, but super tender. There's some cartilage. I'm just eating it. Oh yeah, I see the little cartilage fingers in there. I don't know. I'm just munching down on them. That collagen is good. It's very tender, actually. Thai barbecue is what it said in the menu on Uber Eats. But if I remember, it's like Thai original barbecue. You guys, I love my job. I love my job. I get to sit here and eat some delicious food. Spend a little time with you guys. Okay. Let's do a piece of the chicken satay. I'm gonna use the same peanut sauce. Nice and tender. Lots of grill flavor. Oh man. That was my method. Use your teeth, Candy. Oh my gosh. I don't like these as good as I like the beef satay, but these are tasty, and I wanted to give them another try because it had been so long. Oh my goodness. Oh. Well, I sure hope you guys are doing well. I know I am. I'm doing really good. Oh, I got crumbs. Them crumbs. Put it on the table. Just same old here, really. I've been playing World of Warcraft. I haven't really started any new shows with Susan, but I've been watching shows on my own. Let's see. Deadwood. I'm still watching Deadwood. That is a lovely show. I adore it. Oh, and it's a sad day. Sad day for me. I watched the final few episodes of Supernatural last night, actually. They ended it well. I'll say that much. Oh, excuse me. I was happy with the ending. I was happy. Yeah, they did all right for our Winchester boys. Oh, man. I tell you what, they must use the fattiest pieces of beef they can find. It is so fatty. That just adds to the flavor. It's unctuous, it's rich, delicious. Oh my gosh. Oh. Woo, that's good. And it's not too spicy either. It's a very mild spice going on there. Very mild. Let's see. I'm going to get into a thigh. Oh, yes. All that skin. I'm eating that skin. I am eating that skin. Oh my gosh. That was good. It's good. It's good, y'all. Ooh-wee. That's going to be a sticky mess when I get done. Ooh, fingers are sticky. Coldest water bottle, you guys. It's almost empty. Should have filled that sucker up. But I did not. Okay, and other than Supernatural, I still haven't gone back to the Queen's Gambit. I will eventually. But I started watching the new season of that show, Big Mouth. It's so silly. That's a silly little cartoonish show. Very adult topics though, but it's been fun. Pause. Okay. Oh man. Yeah, it was sad to see the Winchesters go, but 15 years. The show kind of ran its course. It was a really good show. On Netflix. For those who haven't seen it and might want to see it. Oh, my hair's about to drive me nuts. I'm about to have to pause again. Pause. Okay. Hopefully it's not all crazy. But, I was getting annoying. That's what happens the longer my hair gets. I end up wanting it on me. Less and less. Oh, more of that, more of that. Oh man, that was so good. More beef satay. It's very dark on the edges, but it's pretty tasty. That peanut sauce is nice and thick. Oh. Oh man. That piece is too dark. A little too much char on that piece. Oh. The only thing they didn't have that I used to get, and that I was kind of craving, they didn't have it on the menu at this one, was a crispy German pork leg or something like that. You get like this big bone with like pieces of pork still like attached. But it's not so much the meat, and it's very crispy, but it's not so much the meat that I crave as the sauce. They give you this really tangy, spicy, not too spicy, but it's a vinegar sauce. And it's like, it's so good. I'd like to know what it is. It was slightly reminiscent of a chimichurri, but I know that's not what that was. Another piece of this pork that is also coated in rice. Mmm. 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 Oh man. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. So much sticky sauce. Sticky, sticky sauce. But I like it. And they didn't pack me any napkins. And these are like left over from another restaurant. But I'm glad I had them. But I'm glad I had them. More of this. Mm. 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 That is so dang good. Mm. Mm. That rice on its own is yummy. Mm. 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 Oh. Oh, pause. Okay. Woo. Let's see. Get some more of this jerky. Jerky, jerky. You thought that was for you, Mama? This is spicy stuff. You can't eat spicy stuff. Mm. 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 Oh, good though. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Ooh, okay. Oh. Oh. Ribs. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. 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 Okay. Wow. Now, in other news, World of Warcraft Shadowlands is very enjoyable. I've been playing that over the last couple of days. No videos or anything. I'm just having fun out there on my own and playing my main. But I've been having a good time with it, so. If you've been wondering, is it worth it? Yeah, pretty much. It's pretty cool. I kind of wish I'd have kept up with previous expansions and whatnot. Kultiris and Zandalar and stuff, because I've got to like go back and do those. I kind of wish I would have just done that before going to the Shadowlands, but I don't know, get it while it's hot. It's kind of like you snooze, you lose. You know, I'm not one of those people that has to do every single quest to be happy. You know, I can kind of skip over stuff here and there as needed. But you miss out on a lot of really great content, because that's what I really like about World of Warcraft. It's a very immersive world, and the art is phenomenal, and the storylines, it's a really beautiful game. I really enjoy it that way. And it can also be very social, which when I started, I quit a dead guild and I got picked up by a new guild, so I haven't even introduced myself yet. I just kind of watch guild chat and stuff like that, and, you know, eventually I might participate in the reindeer games. But I've always been a solo artist. I kind of run around at my own pace and do my own thing and stuff. But that's how I enjoy the game. You know, other people, they like to go in big groups and like have questing parties and stuff like that, or dungeon parties. I'm not much of a dungeoner. I haven't been in years, because I kind of, it's so fast paced in some of the dungeons. I get super anxiety, so who knows, maybe one day Papa Zanny or something and decide to queue up the dungeon finder and see what happens. I wouldn't be worth a you know what in the dungeons at this point, though, because my DPS is probably crummy. And you kind of have to be a gamer to know anything about anything that has to do with that. I really don't even call myself a gamer. I'm a casual player, basically. And it's pretty much just MMO RPG type games that I find myself attracted to. But yep, that's my happy fun time, is watching shows and playing video games. That's probably true for a lot of people right now. Being locked down and whatnot. You know, you do your work at home and then you're just trying to find something to occupy your time the rest of the time. There's not a whole lot of going out and doing this and doing that, and you know, but it just is what it is at this point in time in history. Man. Ooh. She got a lot of food, y'all. I don't know how I do. That was a massive hunk of beef. Oh man. This food is so good. I want to keep eating. The good thing about all this, I got leftovers. Love my leftovers. I drank all my tea. That gummit. Thai barbecue chicken is really good. I prefer that to the ribs. I prefer the beef satay to the chicken satay. And the Thai beef jerky, it's good. It's not awesome, I should say, in comparison to this, but it's good. But this penang curry, that is the bomb. B-O-M-B bomb. Probably get demonetized for saying that, but it's true. It's like an explosion of flavor in my mouth. If I could get it all in my mouth. Oh man. Oh, that is happy. Happy, happy, happy. Happy, happy. I'm gonna eat one of these little shrimp. Mmm. Oh. Good. Mmm. Now, this little cucumber salad thingy here. I pick out the jalapeno peppers. We don't want that, because that is too spicy for me. I'll probably still get some in there. That could happen. And I don't really like the onion either, so I'll pick that out. Not that there's anything wrong with onion. But I just don't particularly like it when I'm eating this stuff. Oh, there's some more jalapeno. Don't want it, don't want it. But the sauce, the little vinegar, it's like a little sweet vinegar. Mmm. Mmm. With a little bit of spice. I love the little cucumbers. Mmm. Little pickles. Mmm. Oh, there must have been some jalapeno in that. Oh. Mmm. Mmm. Oh. Ooh, she was spicy but good. Mmm. I had to kill that heat. Oh, that's good. And that's all she wrote, Dear John. Woo. I'll have to. I'm not going to use the same packages it came in. I'm going to employ some other arrangements for my leftover. But ooh, that was fun. That was fun and borderline nostalgic. I mean, I know it's only been probably 2 years or so, but it was really good. It was really good to like go back in time and enjoy some foods that I had before and I really, really, really enjoyed. But on that note, thank you all for joining me. Ooh, I had a good time. And I hope you did too. And I will see you next time. Bye now.